Hey guys, my name is Jim Aspel. I'm a workers' compensation attorney in Farmington, Connecticut. And today I wanted to answer the question, what is the most common workers' compensation injury? Uh, we get that question quite a bit. People, apparently it's one of these misery loves company situations, and they want to know, well, what's the most common injury people sustain while they're working? I think after doing this for 35 years, uh, the quick answer is probably a back injury. Um, by and large, 70% of the claims we handle here in the office have at least a back component as part of it. There may be other injuries that the person sustains, but a lot of times, for whatever reason, the back is also injured when you get hurt at work. When I say back injuries, there can be all manner of things. Back sprains, back strains, those are all very common, and you see those from lifting too much, turning the wrong way, repetitive motions, whatever it happens to be. People experience pain in the back. They experience pain in the middle of their back. They experience pain in their low back. They experience pain in their butt that radiates down into their legs. Those are all typically back pains. Um, Sometimes you get a more serious back injury. You get a herniated disc. There's a fair percentage of those that we see in any given week. Those are also fairly common in the workplace setting. And those, you get those both in your back, frequently in the low back. The doctor's going to talk about maybe an L4, L5 disc. We also see them in the neck. So, a lot of people, when they're talking about a back, they include their neck uh, for whatever reason. I think it's only lawyers and doctors that probably distinguish the neck as something separate from the back. But be that as it may, herniated discs are also pretty common. That's a fairly common back injury. Sometimes what we see are injuries called an annular tear. Um, those tend to be particularly painful in my experience. People have a lot of problems with those, not long-term problems, but in terms of the short term, they're very disabling for they don't know why. But in my experience, people that experience those do tend to have a lot of pain, and they're acutely aware of the fact that they sustained an injury on the job. So I would say that's it. Back injuries, sprains, herniated discs, annular tears. There's probably other things in there that I've forgotten, but I would say in answer to the question, the back is quite frequently the most common workers' compensation injury. Okay. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know. We're in Farmington. You can call us anytime, 860-523-8783. We do have a website, ctworkinjurylawyer.com. Tons and tons and tons of information about Connecticut workers' compensation there. Should be able to find the answer to most of your questions there. And again, we're in Farmington. I'm happy to help you out at any time. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. We invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do provide content on Connecticut workers' compensation topics as often as possible. Okay, hope you have a good afternoon, and thanks for watching.